Chicken Francaise. A main dish from France. Serves 2. You will need 9 ingredients. Step 1. Beat eggs, about 1 egg for every 2 pieces of chicken, add some milk, garlic, salt and pepper. Gradually add Wondra flour until the batter is thick but drippy. Step 2. Peel and thinly slice the lemons. Put some regular flour in a shallow pan. Step 3. Have frying pan ready along with some butter, margarine and oil. When everything is ready, heat the frying pan with a combination of butter, margine and about 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Step 4. Dust the chicken with the regular flour, making sure to shake off the excess flour. Dip the floured chicken into the batter, let excess drip off and sauté the chicken until it is browned. Step 5. As the chicken is cooked, remove it to a serving pan with deep sides. As you put the chicken in the pan, put slices of lemon between the slices of chicken. Step 6. When all of the chicken has been cooked, turn up the heat on the frying pan and add about 2 cups of dry white wine. Let the wine bubble and let the alcohol cook off. Step 7. When this is done, pour some over the chicken and put some in a gravy boat and serve with the chicken. Keep the chicken on a very low heat as you cook it. Peak greater than note. The flour used in this chicken dish is a coarse flour sold throughout Europe. Culture, countries, Wondra is the only suitable substitution.